We want our family to be an outdoors family, a team that gets out there and does stuff together. It's what we want to do, and we're gonna work for it.
Welcome to Out There with Dan, where we talk about cultivating an outdoors lifestyle as a lifelong mission. You'll find videos on camping, overlanding, adventuring, outdoor cooking, and other related topics.
The challenges of modern life and our growing population means that having a connection with nature is more important than ever.
Growing an outdoors lifestyle is not easy. It takes persistence and commitment. But time in the outdoors, spending that time with people we love, can bring true meaning to our lives. If this resonates with you, I invite you to join our community and enjoy some of my video creations.